if my
Can you share your screen?
yeah.
1 minute. Let me start my policy tab. Yeah. You start sharing, not a problem. Okay. You sharing?
Where we have the share button?
Uh, at the bottom of your Teams, sorry, Zoom, right? You can see some green arrow mark.
Yeah, 1 second. When I maximize it, I'm not able to see. I'm able to see right now.
1 second.
You're able to see, right?
It's coming up.
So I have the studio open and
1 second. Integration.
so it is running, right?
1 second.
Anything to do in studio before I connect to PC? And
1 second. Database is fine. Okay. Still, your server is not up.
okay.
When you started? It's been 7:58, right? Right. 8th. Yesterday you have started. Oh, sorry,
No,
today.
today only.
Today only. Okay. It's
Yeah.
still, it is in progress. See, just now it is getting starting.
Okay.
Okay. Another 2 to 3 minutes, it will get started.
Hi, Divya.
Hi, Rashika.
Divya, I made all the required changes, but still I'm not able to see that worksheet in the file.
Okay. Can you please share?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, you're not able to see. Okay, show rating worksheet. Okay. This is disabled. Okay, 1 second. Let me check my system. Show rating worksheet. Code screen. Can you go? Can you do Alt Shift W? Alt Shift W. Yeah.
No, it is not.
Not working.
Yeah, it is not.
Can you open that code summary dv.pcf, right? That copy can see in blue color. Blue, quite. Yeah, near to code summary.
PVPC.
That you copy, Control C. Yeah. Go to the studio. Control Shift N. Okay. Control V. Okay. Select in project, not directory. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. Can you scroll down? You'll get the open in find window. Little bit scroll down. In this pop-up, you can get a open in view, open in find window. That button will be there. Can you press it? After the end of the end of this pop-up. Last. Control Shift N you have to press. Sorry. Control Shift N. You have give escape. Yeah, give escape. Escape button. Press escape button. Okay, Control Shift N. N.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have given a control V. Okay. Select the first one. Double click. Scroll down. Scroll down. A little bit. Okay. Go to the browser once again. Your application, 1 minute. Issuance wizard writing. Override button. Is it submission? You have issued the policy. Okay. 1 second. Let me check. Issuance wizard underscore code screen dot pcf, right? That bit 1, 2, 3 step. The blue color here itself. Yeah. The blue color, what you selected on top of 4 lines before. Issuance wizard, that blue color. Yeah. Select that, copy paste and check over it in the studio. Control C. Studio, Control Shift N. Yeah. Select the first one. Select double. Yeah. Now scroll down. Down. Yes. Wait. Now, can you give me the control? Was remote control. I'm requesting. Approve it, please. Okay. Just clicking. Show rating worksheet. Okay. Visible. Compile. Vijay, now you're able to, your server is up. Can you check that Policy Center is ready? Text is there in the console. Sorry?
No, the server is up only.
Okay. So please let me know about the worksheet. Okay.
So after this, we have to refresh the screen.
Sorry?
After this, we have to refresh the screen.
Yes. That in the go to the browser application, right? You can here like this. Sorry. Here, right? Just click it and give a press enter. Refresh it. Alt Shift L. So any PCF changes once done, right? You have to give Alt Shift L. The PCF changes will be get loaded in the UI. Okay. Still let us. Still. Still loading. Refresh the page. Policy review. Code. So issue the policy. No need to issue the policy until, see, we are verifying in the code screen, right? Fine if it is issued, but every time we want to do changes and verifying in the UI, right? It won't, it is already committed to the database, correct? So it won't get any reflection. Change over it. So better to have quote, fine, I mean quota policy, then edit policy transaction, then you can verify it. Okay. Which means I'm telling every time not necessary to, what is it? Not necessary to issue the policy. Okay. Quota. Qualifications. Suspender approved. Okay. Okay. Next. Quote. Still the problem is there. Policy premium. All shift W. So see, this is where submission wizard code screen. Okay. Go to this. All shifting. SPCF. SPCF. Done. Personal auto line. So rating worksheet. Okay. Social confirmation message. Flow is done. Okay. Available. Let me check my system 1 second. What's the file name? Rating worksheet override button. Okay. Control Shift N. Rating override button. Okay. Search. Push to okay. And input column. Okay, this one detail view properties. Okay, visible. Okay, here it is. Select complete properties. This one, right? Override view worksheet. Either two ways we can make it. Okay. Since this is a training, I'm making this of true. The other way, I'll tell you. Compile, build. Okay, now go to or Shift L. Or Shift L. Okay. So now edit policy. Okay. Quote. Details. So, show rating sheet is there, but available status. Visibility is there. Available is there. Okay. Still problem show rating worksheet. True visible.
Here we are having available in the action function.
Yeah, available, but it is not mentioned anything, right? No conditions. If it is any condition, it's fine. Okay. Your logging as
Super user.
super user. Okay. Users. Okay. SEO search. Super user. Roles. Producer, user admin, and writer. Okay. Producer.
Initially, I don't have these three roles. I added.
You have added. Okay.
Mhm.
Then should be rate. I'm checking one of the permission rate worksheet at all. A B C D E F A B C H, or it is not here. Let me check the other ones. User admin, right? User admin and underwriter. So arrange by code. U, P, Q, or here also not there. Okay, let's go to underwriter. Underwriter. Okay. Reverse Q or view W. The rating worksheet view is there, rate book view also there. Fine. Permission to view rate books and tables. Okay, code is fine. Still it is not getting. So users SU. SU is there. Here it is. Okay. Second policy. Show rating worksheet. Still it is a problem. 1 second. Alt Shift W. Submission. Sort. Okay. Versus is there. Okay. Display key. Still this is the hide if editable. Okay. Hide if editable. Okay. False only. As border side if read only. Okay. What's let me check all this thing. Refresh also fine. Another 5 minutes. Let me check over it. Also fine. Let me check on my system. Worksheets. 1 second, let me comparing to my system. Worksheet is there. Okay, initial. Can view worksheets. Sheets. Worksheet. What's the worksheet? Worksheet. It's authorized. Rating worksheet view is there. Okay. Worksheet view. Diagnostic worksheet. Is greater. This regular worksheet, diagnostic worksheet has elements. Nothing has changed. Why it is not getting. Okay, can we check at the end of the class? Okay. Something is missing. This is also fine. 1 second. Control E, submission wizard. Full screen. Okay, personal automatic. This one. Creative balance. Okay. Okay. All the falls only. Okay. Yes. Shift. Shift table. Let it be. This is one thing I have to sort out. Next, are you able to check for rating worksheets and rate books and all? Personal auto line. Search. 0 results. Okay. Have you configured those things, Rashika? That whatever the rating things.
Yes, I have all the code of the clients.
Okay, let me check over it. Control Shift N config.xml. Enable rating module. Okay, 2810. Okay. And the next is the rating. Rating config steps. Open particular file. Next is script parameters.xml. Script parameters. After that, you restarted the server, huh? Whatever. Okay. Next, you loaded your what is it? Sample data.
Before only I loaded the large data.
After
Initially.
rating changes, have you loaded?
No.
That alone, can you do it? I think I can do or not. Alt Shift T. It's not possible, right, in the meeting.
Okay, I will do this.
Yeah. Once that do, load the sample data. Rest all things done, right? That
Yeah.
rating engine something have to do.
Yeah, as per document, I have done all the changes.
Okay, fine. Then it is fine. And please load the sample data. Then you'll get the books here. Okay.
Sample data means large data or medium, small?
Large. You can.
Large data.
So this alone. Once again, let me give a try. Show rating worksheet. 1 sec, let me try this way. Find usage. There is only place. Principal condition is true only. Think this also we have to do. 1 second. Superride overrides. Dot system dot right. This is also make it true. Available hide if available. Just okay. There's a minimum widget view worksheet label action confirm show confirm message default if editable. Okay. This is so. Okay, can we see it in the end of the class after 35 minutes? Okay.
Sure.
Don't want to waste the time. Okay, in the meantime, can you or compile this file, okay? Just compile and otherwise you restart the server once, okay? Let me Control Shift N config.xml Control F. Let me check it is enabled or not enabled. Internal debug tools. True. Okay. Now, once restart the system and let me know you are able to view that rating worksheet or not. Okay. This should be true always. Why we are making this one is right. We are doing Alt Shift L, Alt Shift T, not working here for Zoom meeting, but generally Alt Shift T and whatever Alt Shift L that related this changes, right? That those are all the internal debug tools available in Guidewire. So to enable these things, we need to always set to true this one. Okay, enable these things. So please let me know, okay, once you have restart server and all, okay.
Required is recompile.
No need to give compile, just straight away give it a restart the server.
Okay.
Run and restart server. Okay. Okay, can you stop sharing? Thank you. And start it. Vijay, what are you able to see the rating worksheets or do you facing same kind of issues? Hello, Vijay, you are here?
Yeah, Divya, I'm able to log into PC, but I'm also not able to see the worksheets. I'll figure it out after the.
Okay, sure. And Priya? Okay, let me share my screen. So yesterday we have created a new rate routine, right? And somewhere it is not coming into the picture. It's one of the steps. It is required to add it in our policy center. Started down. Okay. Go localhost. SU GW. Okay. Now go to policy. Show rating worksheet. See if you check for any coverage and whatever our tele expand or see. This is a rate routine yesterday we have created, right? But somehow it is not being enabled. I mean, not comes over to the picture here in the real time with the values. So why? Because any rate routine, okay, whatever the rate routine, if you have created brand new rate routine, that should be added in our rate engine. We have done all the steps, but missed one of the important step is what happened this one? Okay, it's fine. One of the step is like here if you go to PA rating engine, okay. So PA rating functions, PA rating engine, stable rating engine. If you check here, forgot where I left. Should be F. Here it is. So Control F. Okay, here. So this is one of the class. Okay, this is one of the rating engine class where it abstracts the abstract rating engine. Okay, this is a OTB class. This is a class which is created for a personal auto rating stuffs. Okay, if here it will be what is it? Initialize the every rate routine. Okay, whenever the rate book is get started. So we have created a rate routine and we have added into the rate book in the UI side, admin page. Okay, but we need to initialize it. We need to construct some objects to, for that. Okay, so for that what we have to do is declare a variable and initialize with that particular rate routine. Okay, and use the rate routine. Okay, here use a rate routine for the rate books. Say for example, this is a particular line. You have to execute, you have to call out this function. Execute the calculation rate routine, okay? And you have to, what's it? This is the syntax of it. If you check the line number 320. So we need to pass the rate routine code under the string and string data. And these are all already there, this rate routine parameter map and all, whatever it is. So just call out this method, okay? Inside the method, these things will be there. So these are all already predefined one. Just we need to call out this line number 323. Once if you call this one only, if suppose any new rate routine, if you've been created as part of the rate book changes, okay, then you have to call this line in a particular rate engine rate engine classes. Okay, so once it is done only, okay, rate books, whatever identified, rate engine will be identifying the particular rate book with that rate routine. That's what yesterday we didn't get this these two lines. So once it is done, whatever the rate available things in that particular rate routine, right? Then it will be comes here. Okay, his driver telematics is true. Okay, that is getting evaluated, that function. Then it returns a value, and based on this, we simply made 0, right? That's why we have a 0. So that's what this step is important. Okay, you have to add the newly created a rate routine in the particular rate engine. Okay, so I have a message show this line of code. Okay, so this about ratings. Yeah. So please let me know if you have once you created the things, right? You please let me know. Or you able to check over like this, okay? If you create a new rate routine, whether it is able to reflect in the page or not. Okay. That's one step. 1 second. This rating things comes into the picture. Once a job wizard. Okay. Control Shift and Control V. ECF. Sessions. Policy premium. Only this is problem. Personal photo line. Okay. Worksheet. Second. Personal outline ID. Decide if everything is false. Okay. It's also false. Okay. Properties. Visible. Writing over. Sheets. It's authorized. Rating worksheet view. Okay. Current user. For you, system user only you're using. Okay. And this worksheets available. Okay, worksheets you are not, this condition is failing. Okay, for you, Rashikar, this condition is failing because for your worksheets itself not available, correct? So that is what, let me know once you restart the server, okay?
Okay. I don't know what happened at all.
Yeah, otherwise, yeah, in this condition is need to be satisfied. Worksheet is available when Raidbook is available, okay? This worksheets are not is available. Yeah, let me know, okay? Okay, with that said, writing concepts we have completed. Okay. Creator of rate routine, and let me know if you have stuck with any things and all in the rate routines, rate things, rate tables. And just we need to play around it, what is happening like that, okay? Getting you used to work, you'll be in this. This is a very interesting topic, and more than configuration work, right? This plays a vital role for any project. Okay, we can demand your packages for this. Okay, now we'll move to integrations. Yeah. Close all tabs. Okay. What is integrations? Why this integration comes into the picture? Say for example, in Guidewire, right? We have applications like Policy Center, Billing Center, Client Center. Okay, each application has to transfer its elements, its details to its other applications. So in that way, integration comes into the picture. Okay, so say for example, from Policy Center, policy details, producer details, and whatever policy details, producer details, account. These three things are important to have transferred to billing center. Okay, so when these things comes into the picture, once you issue the policy, okay, once you issue the policy in the policy center, your policies, your details will be collected. Okay, your details will be collected from the in the policy level, account level. Once it is issued, it will be transferred to the billing center. So what is transferred? That is said to be a billing instructions. Okay, so how it is getting happened between policy center and billing center? So that is what integration comes into the picture. Why it is billing system? Okay, I didn't enable the start the billing center. That's a problem. Here, right? If you check in the account left side billing, this tab, if you created, if you check over it, 1 second. Actually, you'll get the details. Okay. So what are the policy, what is the billing outstanding bill amount? What's the payment method? The payment method will be available in our policy center payment screen. Okay, so payment details and what is the every details, billing method, alternate billing account status, what is the past due, everything will be get created and it will be what is the transfer to the billing center. So here, right, how it is getting happened and all. In the administration, we have certain, what is it, certain integration components are there. Okay, one of the thing is we can how billing center and policy center gets integrated is through messaging. We check here. Yeah, right now I have to start the billing center. Okay, once we comes to the billing integration things, I'll explain it. Okay, so this is where message queues will be message queues are determined to connect with the external system. See here in our training app we have billing system. This I can show you the live things, what is getting integrated with billing system and policy system. Okay, next is the contact message transport. Whatever what is it, messaging system between the contact manager, right? We have a billing what's it, contact manager application. That is for that, if we need to have integrated systems, that this comes into the picture. Like this, whatever the third party system or a vendor system we need to access, we need to know the destination, then we can configure a new one. Okay, suppose I want to access the system of get the details of the system of some MVR report, motor vehicle report, motor vehicle system. That's a what's one of the system in a US government, correct, to retrieve the vehicle driver record. So for that, I have to create one another what is it, one another entry here, message queues, then I have to access it. Okay, so this is what what is it, this is what messagings comes into the picture to get what is it, get will be pushing our information to sending the request to the external system and will be retrieving the response to the from the external system. Suppose if you check here, billing system, okay, we'll be having like this, what is a destination? It's a unique ID, okay, unique name. So, and here we have accounts with so many categories are there. Let me explain in detail in this sessions, okay. Say for example, I'll show you the request response. So these are the requests we are sending to the to the billing system, and from the billing system, what is the response and all, we'll get it like this. Okay, second. better. Let it get started. So yeah, from the billing system, we are getting a response, right? That response will be comes here. Okay. So this is one of the integration. We'll go in detail everything, but I'm saying in a high level. So integration, we have certain concepts to do the integration things. Okay. One of the thing is like messaging concept. Next, we have web services. Web services means, say for example, third party system is there. Okay, they have certain things defined it. We don't want to access their system, all the components. Certain things we need to add it. So for that, web service comes into the picture, and we can two ways we can make it. It is like API, okay, application programming interface, like web service API we used to tell it, and it is following a protocol of SOAP protocol. Okay, we building a SOAP API, and and what is it? See, two ways web service will be used. Either we have to consume the web service, which means third party system, we are consuming it. Okay. And they will be giving a WSDL for it. WSDL means it is like a URL you can consider over it, but that is not a technical term. It is said to be a WSDL. Okay. And we'll be consuming the WSDL, and will be consuming its methods. Okay, that is one way. That is the consuming of web service. Next is the publishing the web service. Publishing the web service means, say for consider here in this integration training, this is our system. What is local system? Guidewire, policy center. Okay. Consider billing system is the third party system. Say for example, Guidewire policy center is in Cognizant, and Guidewire billing system in Infosys, like that. I don't want to mention it, but I'm telling for understanding. Okay. Both have two different vendors, so it is not everything has in a same vendor or same project only, but different vendors are handling. So how details will be shared or transferred. So billing system will be, if I want to access the billing system things, they will be providing a visitor, I'll be consuming it. Okay, so my what my means, what policy center thinks how they will consume is, I'll be publishing the visitor, I'll be giving a visitor, they will be consuming it. Okay, in that way web service comes into the picture, like publishing the visitor, services, and consuming the services. Okay. And this is one way, one of the thing in integration. Next is the what is it? Next is the batch process. Batch process also, yeah. We have internal batch process and external batch process also. But generally here, right, in our policy center, we used to have a or is it a batch process, how to create a batch process. Okay, those things we'll be seeing here. And what are the policy related integrations and all? Second, yeah. See, the same rating also will have a, here, right, in policy center we are using a rating engine which is available in our policy center. Okay, but we have an external rating engine also. See, some other vendor is responsible for determine a rating. So that rating engine will be consuming in our Guidewire external Guidewire policy center. So that is said to be a rating integration. Okay, and forms integration is there. Forms also, that form system, right? Form system, generation of form system, form integration, and all that also, right? Right now we are maintaining the forms, correct? We are maintaining the forms, we are maintaining the what is it, control of the forms to how to trigger and all. So that also will be get integrated if it is outsourcing. It's a kind of outsourced, means that we need to integrate it. So that is said to be a form integration. But those things I don't have real picture over it. Okay, I'll tell you it what is are all available, but I can show you the what is associated with the billing system. Okay, that is the real time things. So this is one of the few integration things. And now I'll tell you what are the policy center integration elements. Okay. So policy center integration elements. Not bad. This I have a diagram. I'll share it in the WhatsApp. Policy center integrations. So it will be useful for you for any interview purposes and all. Okay. Integration elements. So what I'll be explaining now, but I'll be what is it? I'll be sharing the diagram of one complete flow in the WhatsApp post this meeting. Okay. So we have Guidewire PC. Okay. Guidewire CC and Guidewire, what is it? Guidewire BC. Okay. So what are all the things integrating between Guidewire Policy Center and Guidewire Client Center is? Okay. So from the Policy Center, we have to, what is it? We have to transfer the policy details to the Client Center. Then only it will, claims will be get created. Okay. So claims, so when new claims are created in the Client Center, that need to be get notified to Policy Center. Okay, so say for example, you have issued the policy in Policy Center. Now in Client Center, first what you will do, search for policies. Okay, search for policies, and while you searching the policies, Policy Center return the result, correct? So for that, return policy searches. This is one combo. Okay. And next is the what is it? Notifying of new clients. Once you retrieve the policies and you are creating the clients, right? You are notifying the clients. Okay. Next is once your clients and all created and all, this is one way. Okay. For that, supporting web services, we need to be there. Okay. So searching of policies. How you'll search the policies? For search policies, we need to have something to have integrated, right? Then that way, this web service comes into the picture. Okay. Search policies. What are the web service? You can tell web service API clients. So again, what are all the things is search policies and return policies. Okay. For that, this web services will be there. Return policy searches. Okay. So after that, this is one set, okay, between Policy Center and Client Center. For that, web service API clients have been used. Okay. Now, what is come for the Billing Center, Policy Center and Billing Center? Guidewire PC. Okay. So in that, you'll be sending first, what are all the details is account, okay, policies and producers. Okay. These three things are important for details to identify in the billing center. That will be these three things will be get transferred in the billing instructions. Okay. And what the billing center will, again, in return, what it will be gets sent to the policy center. Sending the payment status. Okay, send the payment status, send payment info. And if the payment is not there, then what will be there? Delinquency details. Okay. Cancellation request. Delinquency means Suppose the payment is not, see, you got your invoice date and you're not paying the payment, customer is not paying the payment, and that was due date was crossed, and they have given a notification letter also, okay, 1 letter, 2 letter, and after that, still the customer is not responding, that account will go considered as a delinquency account, okay. So that delinquency account, once after certain period of time, okay, we have a delinquency workflow, all those details are there, that will be in the billing center, okay. So that delinquency workflow, once it is done, in that cancellation request, which means, okay, so and so after so many notifications and threshold period, still the payment is not received, so we are billing center request this particular policy to cancellation, okay, to the policy center. So in that way, this integration comes into the picture, okay. So cancellation request. So policy center will be cancel the policy, and that has to be again notified to the billing center. So once down the stream, once the policy is cancelled and all, for collecting the payment from the whatever that leftover payment from the customer, that account will be sent to assigned to the collection agency. Those steps and all in the billing center, okay. So what I'm trying to tell is like why we need to have integrate the policy center and billing center, what are the details required, and in turn billing center what will be sending as a response to the policy center. So these are the things or the integration elements, okay. So if it is, say for these things and all, how it has happened, who's responsible for that is, we have policy administrative system, PAS, admin system, okay. Policy admin system. So this only will be solely responsible for from the policy, I mean Guidewire Policy Center and Guidewire Billing Center. Okay. So this is one set of integration. Next, coming to the what are the additional things? What are the additional things? Sorry. Let's see. Session request. Okay. Now, what are the additional things in Policy Center? Guidewire Policy Center integrated. Okay, additional integrated is number 1, external rating engine. External rating engine. See, here Guidewire, we are using our own rating engine. Okay, then that rating engine only we are while doing a request quote and all, we are in turn we are getting that what is it from the rate book, we are getting the details, rate tables, rate routines, and premium is being calculated. But in some projects, it will be using instead of Guidewire rating engine, it will be used as an external rating engine. Okay. For that, what and all certain things is required is send policy data and return. What in return is return codes. Okay. Next is the risk analysis tool. Risk analysis tool. So what are the risk data? Add risk data. Say for example, if you check considering personal auto, MVR, right? MVR. So for personal auto policies, any drivers who have a very worst driving history and experience, that will be get recorded in the MVR system. So while insurance company need that details to determine the premium, okay, if they have a worst history and so much accidents history and all, that will be information keeping that details retrieved from the MVR system. Based on that, they'll be quoting that rating system, rating things will be changed over, okay, and based on that premium will be changed, that rate factor will be get higher, That's what that premium calculations will get, it gets upstream. Okay, so for that risk analysis tool, one of the thing is for understanding, so many are there, but I'm telling like MVR is a good example to explain to any interview purposes. Okay, motor vehicle record, I'll show you what is the MVR record, how it is accessing the in the policy center. We don't want any external system, but consuming the MVR systems and all, I'll tell you in this integration concepts. Okay. Next is the doc management system, very important. Management systems. Okay. So document management, right? In the policy center, we used to check for documents here, right? One second. Here. One second. Upload and retrieve the documents here, right? This section will be taken from the since it is a local system and not integrating with any third party, right? It is not, we can't do it. Okay, but here documents will be available. Okay, so but for our testing purpose, we can check what is it, whether see, for to generate the documents we need to send some details, right? That till that stage we can verify it, what we can send to the external system such as Excel, Thunderhead. Okay, those things. So what will be sending it? Payloads will be generating it and will be sending to the doc management system. So where you will be verifying the payloads and all, go to admin. Okay. Utilities. Okay, we don't have those things. Policy form pattern, similarly doc pattern should be there. I'll check over it. Okay, see, similar to policy form patterns, we used to have a doc patterns. Okay, if it is not there in the training app, we can ignore because that is very huge system. Some visibility conditions is there. I'll check over it. Okay, import data, export data, data change, this is not there. Okay, fine. So for that document management systems, we'll be having upload and download the documents. Okay, this has been integrated to the Guidewire policy system. How it is being integrated? Through messaging concept here. Utilities message queues. Here, right? Document store and federal document system, right? Whatever. Some message queues exclusive only for personal auto, something only for commercial auto. Okay, or something, some documents they have will be accessing the service from Excel or something for the different vendors. Okay, that's what they have used. Two things here. For example, I'm telling federated data service for documents for contacts and this one, SmartCom document productions and document store. Okay, two different things. So these are the and one another important thing is Guidewire Policy Center and Guidewire Contact Manager. We used to tell where we can have get and set of contacts. Okay, get and set of contacts. So this is like whatever the user, right? Here, this user, you are creating one user or account. So Divya training is an account name. So this person will have its base details in a contact manager. Okay, localhost dot 8580. Okay, not 8580, 8080. So you can check over it here. Second. This also I have to explain it. Control Shift N. Control Shift N. Sudo config. See, so you can check any within the Guidewire system if it's to be integrated and all. For contact manager, it's said to be AB. Okay, it is 8280 and BC it is 8580, and for client center it is 8080. Okay, so that is what this one. Yeah, so in the contact manager, this person details, everything will be stored. Okay, and if I'm doing any changes in the contact manager, okay, that system is, since it is integrated, okay, I'm changing what is it, wrongly I have fed my phone number, I have to change the phone number, okay, that I'm changing in the contact manager, then here also it will be get reflected in this account screen here. Okay, so that way, policy center, contact manager, and policy center and contact manager gets integrated. Okay. So these are the certain things about integration. And second, let it get started. Let me check. See, now if you go for billing, see now it is, since billing center is up, right? You got the details. What is the policies and what are the billing method? It is a good standing. So it is unbilled. Okay, unbilled. That's why it is getting a past due. Certain thing partially paid. That's what it's showing like this. And these are the invoices. What are all the invoice? How these things and all, how it is getting these things and all, how it is will be handled in a billing center. Okay, but that things, the details will be comes in the policy center. So that's why integrator comes into the picture. I have clicked this view in billing center. See, no, the same account will be getting. See, if we are training, the account number remains the same. Okay, 5453427732. This one, same thing. Why? Because billing center and contact, policy center is being integrated. That's why these details will be fed from policy center to billing center. Okay. So here also doc patterns. Yeah. Okay. Here also not there. Okay. Let me check over it for the document patterns. See, whatever you're seeing here, right? This invoices and all, these things will be getting generated here. Okay. Where it is account summary. Here, right? Invoices. So these are the things handled here. Okay. These details will be sent to the billing center. Okay. Whatever the invoice, this said to be invoice items, invoice streams, like that. Similarly, claim setup, I didn't have it. I'm trying to get over it. Okay. And once claim system is done before the weekend, I can show you the claims also. Okay. So we'll see. It's a policy center, right? It's a messaging, message queues. Now, if you check for billing system, we can check the responses. Still, it is not connected. Okay. 1 second. It isn't started. Okay. Finish message. Try. Select. Retry. Set. See? So for any accounts, right, if the billing system, this is a destiny, you consider here as a billing system is a third party system. Okay. So now two systems are integrated. So these are all it need to be sent again, or sending to the pending sent to the what's that billing center. Okay, previously I didn't made my server up and all, third party system not ready to receive it. That's what it said, getting a pending sent. Okay, and this is the order of the thing. Suppose you click anything, so again you will get like this. 1 second. Failed message. Unfinished message. So nothing is there. Go to this starter. Yeah, we'll see it in this things detail. Okay, related to billing system. Not everything is done. See, for testing purposes, we need to see, really we want to see the details here and all. We have to make this, and we have to select this, and we have to suspend the queue. Okay, then only we can retry that information and we can check over it. Right now I have given a retry, right? It is all being received to the billing center. I mean, here billing center. Okay, that's why we are not able to see these things once I given a retry. Okay, so this where billing system can be any third party system can be integrated here in the message queues. And yeah, these are pretty much about integration in a high level. We'll be seeing it how it is getting integrated, and plugins, web service. Okay, I'm stopping here. Rashika, can you is your server is up and you're able to see the ratio rating worksheet?
Server is up and I've loaded the log data also, but not able to see the worksheet.
Okay, can you share? Can you give a control? You have edited a policy? No. 1 second. 3, 5. Okay. Policy which was scheduled to class. Still not see. Permission. There I show a rating was previously. Okay, go to worksheet, workbooks, fine. So all these things are there, fine, good. Rate routines. Okay, fine. Until 2021, that's all fine. Or shift W. Okay. Oh, the submission wizard of PCF. Okay, code screen. Code screen of PCF. Or shift W. Or shift W. Okay. 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 All fine. Idea version. What is there? Button deep. This is done. Okay, DV. Visible. Or versions. Okay. You again rechange these things?
No,
Okay.
it will save automatically or we need to save.
No, I commented these things, so that's what I'm checking. In view worksheets, okay. Start in edit mode, false is fine. On the for instance, after the run is fine. Can view worksheets, policy line, can view regular worksheets or diagnostic worksheets. Okay. Regular worksheets is authorized. Okay. Also sign is rating worksheet view. Rating worksheet view. Okay. Rating worksheet view. Rate book view. 1 second. Administration. Users. Roles. Roles. Underwriter. Okay. Code. Okay, it is not. Oh, fine. Rating. PQR. Rating worksheet view, rate book view. Okay, still is there. Permission to do rating worksheet view. This also fine. Okay. Then what's the problem? Okay, go back. It's authorized and has policy branch dot worksheets available. Okay. Go right once. Okay. Rating worksheet pop-up. Can you rating worksheet once? All done. My system. Rating worksheet. What's the name? Rating worksheet pop-up, right?
Pop-up, yeah.
Pop-up. Okay. View worksheets. Nothing I have done. Worksheets available. Diagnosed restorations. Okay. Rating worksheets view. This also I didn't disable. For me alone it is. Can visit. Okay. Where is your thing? Properties. Select. Okay, this and all fine. Still. Start in 84, 85. Okay. This panel set garage and all you can able to view, correct? Okay, garage one, this is able to view. Then this brought here. So this rating panels, it is rating override TV. Okay. It's rating override TV current in edit mode. What is that? Title batch only. Dot collapsed. 1 second. Rating override TV. Visible, editable, available. Thing is disturbed. Okay. View worksheet. Worksheet. Nothing. Visible. This is a link. So it's rating override. So it's a pop-up. Wait button true. This also I made true. Okay. What is this variables? One second. Okay. I'll give up the control. System is getting down. VCS. Show histories. Get VCS, browse VCS. Show git repository log. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Can you stop sharing? Click OK. Get VCS. Browse VCS repository. Create read. Okay, PC1 now. Yeah, PC1. Share the files. Version control. So you please enable this one. Okay, git VCS, right? Run tools. You'll get a VCS option and all. Once you enable, you'll get to know what are the files you have changed all over the project. Okay. Okay. This also I have to categorize it. Mhm. Right now.
Usually we will see in the commit window, Divya, right? These changes.
Sorry,
We will see the changes in the commit window, right?
commit window. What is that? Commit window. That also for that git VCS and all you need, right? So it will be enabled. Here I didn't do it. Let me 1 second. Let me finish this so that it will be easily we can check over it. Okay. Root link. Okay. Configure. Link disabled. Figure ignore files, generated files and all ignore this things will be get this what is it? Get reduced, okay. Not working. Shell control. Version files. We have only modules, right? Modules. Okay, I'll do the setups. Okay, I'll do the setup and I'll share the what is it? Changeover files, whatever the files I want to as part of this rating worksheet, right? I'll give you the screenshot in the WhatsApp, so they'll come to know what are the changes I made it here. Okay, let me check group by this. It's better. These things.
Divya made a one video for the setup where we don't have rating worksheet available.
Video, okay. That I'll try it off it, okay. The video stuff. Because again I have to do it.
A different PC
Mm.
call set.
Show ignore files. Just okay, this I'll make it, okay. Something I have to do it with the VCS then I'll make it things, and I'll share those things. Okay, even in the document is fine. Okay, I'll make a document. It's getting time. Okay, small things. Something I made it. I didn't have those things. Very long back, I have made those things. That's a problem. Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, it's there in the system. Let me figure it and share you the details.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's already 9:30. I have to start up. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.